Now I'm going to show you how to work a double crochet. To start, create a slip knot. Begin by working the chain stitch. Bring hook towards you and then under the yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop. Continue until you have worked enough chains for your project. We are going to work 10 chains. To start a row of double crochet, you first need to work an extra chain. This chain does not count as a stitch. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Here I am going into both parts of the stitch. Move hook under the yarn and pull through the first stitch. You will now have 2 loops on your hook. Now wrap the hook again and pull through both loops. This is a double crochet. Now insert hook into next stitch. Wrap yarn around hook, pull through stitch, wrap yarn around hook again and pull through both loops. Repeat this until you get to the end of the row. Always check to make sure you have the right amount of stitches at the end of a row. To start the next row, work 1 chain and turn your work. Miss the chain you have just worked and insert the hook into the first stitch. Now you are ready to work the double crochet stitch along the row. Continue until you have worked enough rows for your project. To secure your work, cut the yarn and pull through the last stitch.